one of mine.
You got a casualty, Tain.
Uh-oh.
I don't think you're gonna make it.
Go heads. Should put green.
It's a goat head.
Yeah, I wanted an LJ and I found it last year during COVID.
Did you?
Went up to Spokane and bought it and brought it home, and it was rough. And then I just started. I put more money into it. I put more money into it than I.
Did you put the lift on?
Yes.
That's sweet, man. Long arm.
My claimer is hey, I need somebody that's going to sponsor me to put lockers in a.
There you go.
An LS3 in it. Who wants to sponsor
Ooh,
me?
sweet. I like this. Did you do this?
Yes.
Is that a wrap,
this
right?
Off. It's just a wrap. I bought a kit during COVID. I bought some wrap and I was bored, so I just bought it and I took this off because it had some chips on your side.
Oh yeah.
So I sprayed it black, and then I said, I'm gonna try to wrap it, and I put it on the dining room table with a freaking hair dryer and
got her done.
dude, it
looks
turned
good.
out pretty slick.
Fun? Yeah.
And then
This is what Tain did to his rig. V8 5-liter swap. Like that. Took some work. He did a good job. So we're yes. So we got the doggies. It's a new rooftop tent. Built the rear swing arm bump for the spare tire. We needed the springs on this. Is that what's in your big bag up there? Everything. All your stuff. That makes it easy to be able to get enough for all your kids, huh?
Yeah. Everything's up there except for the cooler in the back.
Yep, got it all packed up. So your wind's gonna be as bad as mine. Looking good.
I'm like, are we gonna fit under the overpass?
Yeah, let's do a driver's meeting real quick. Everybody's here, so this is it. The only other person we're picking up is en route. We'll be picking up Sims. We're gonna take 82 past his house. Everyone got radios?
Good here.
I got an extra if you need it.
Alright, channel 6, GMRS, and then the same for 462, 687.
Did manage to program a radio, so
Sweet,
that should be
nice.
good.
Alright, so the scheme and maneuver for today, we'll leave from here. We're directly, like I said, going to 82. Sims is just going to fall in as we're rolling. Our first stop's going to be down at Hood River. So it's pretty close to as soon as we hit 84. We don't go much further. It's about our halfway point. So once we're all fueled up, as you fuel up, just roll through, use the bathroom, let your dogs out, whatever. Kids. And get separated, put Tillamook on your Google
GPS.
And we'll meet there for lunch, and then we'll go hit the beach.
Sweet.
Sand Lake.
Awesome.
Any questions or anything?
We're on the way to the coast. We have 6 rigs, and we're going to meet up with someone on the go. You'll see him on the video. Down.
But I do have the bubber rope.
Oh, yeah. Awesome.
So we're good, man. If anything happens, we can pull it out. And,
oh, yeah. Oh, we are running winches, too. So we're
well, see, and he's got a 12,000. This guy is stuck. They want us to put, this lady came over and asked if we can pull him out. So what I'm thinking about doing is hooking up to his 12,000 to that. I'll dig daisy chain to the back of his so we have weight.
Yeah.
Jerk that truck right out.
Give it a little stretch.
So you want to, so you're
I would, as long as that D-ring's not coming off that ball.
So he tried to. He tried to get this other guy out. Sunk it in.
Was that thing? No, my truck. Okay. Yeah, if you stop, you stop. Are you in 4 low or 4 high?
All right, we're gonna see Mick take this.
When I yell go, you just give it a little gas, not a lot. Okay, hit it.
Just like that. Nice. That just pulled it right out. That was too easy. Do it again. That was too easy.
That from
Yeah, you want to hit the trunk?
Yeah, I told
Did it
him,
really?
I mentioned to somebody you want to pull those out of there. Yeah. No, we did. It's all good.
Should we pull the truck back?
Yeah. Here we go. All right, taking 2 with forward, 3/4 ton, and a little Jeep.
Yeah.
Little TJ 2-door. Watch this.
But I trust my partner.
That's how that's done. That's awesome. First casualty, huh?
Trying to grab some gloves.
Did you have some wire or anything to wire it back up, or?
I'm not putting that back on. Are you insane?
Is it off? Oh, it's completely okay. Yeah. Yeah, just pull it off.
I gotta take it home because I need to cut a piece of that off and make a tailpipe out of it. But the rest I'm.
Dude, that's hot.
That's a Volkswagen guy coming down that hill.
Nice.
I saw him come in. He was flying.
Use what Megan thinks is a flag. You ready?
Yeah. Here you go, Phil. Can you use that?
Like it. Throw me under the bus, whatever.
There it is.
Where do I plug it in?
You don't want to know.
Thanks.
I don't know.
Tell you what, give me $5. It's all yours.
Oh my God.
No, this kid's tight on money. She don't do that. She's like, what? Like, no.
There you go, Jordan.
How about this? Why don't you pay me to take that off your hands?
And one thing I noticed is last time we were here, where the sand's pretty much down to the clay.
Yeah.
You got those clay patches.
Yeah.
That wasn't here before.
Really?
Yeah.
You want to go see the sunset?
road now?
We got 15 minutes. How long is it going to take us to get to the beach?
You want to go check out the sunset?
Gnarly.
Yeah, okay. Right behind
I don't know if we fit that.
you.
You're good. You're good. Yeah, you got a good line. Come on down. Yeah. Straighten out a little bit. There you go. Yeah, you're not quite enough clearance.
Hey, Mick, you're gonna have to pull me off of this frame.
You want me to get you from the front or the back?
Back.
You go ahead. Probably back. Let me turn the wheel here.
Yeah, I came across.
Yeah, a little bit, not quite.
Hard, I'll just give you a little bit of a nudge.
Hey, hit it.
Ready?
It's ready. Go, Phil. Try again. It might be because we're going uphill.
All that sand hit me.
Yeah.
Okay, here I go.
Nice old Toyota. That looks like his axles have been screwed up. Yep, busted axles. Is that rear steer?
Now that quad hit it, yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Come around the corner as we were coming over that little lip there, come out.
And he nailed you.
Jagged me.
Wow. That ain't good.
You gonna pull him out?
He's got a messed up axle. Hey, Nathaniel. Hi.
Yeah, thanks for the help, everybody.
Yeah.